Yeah, let her sniff it again. No, no, no. She's just watching you, Gavin. She's so mad.
Give me Kitty's voice.
Hey, little boy, give me that bacon.
No.
Well, eat it then, Gav.
No. No. Do the voice again.
Hey, little boy, I want that bacon.
I'll give you.
No.
I'll give you.
Bacon will make me sick. Don't let me eat it. No. Gav, you eat it.
Then why do you want it?
She doesn't know it'll make her sick.
So are bigger kitty knows?
Nope, none of the kitties know. They just know it smells good, so they want to eat it. Gavin, why are there so many cats in the living room? How many cats do you see?
See a lot.
Well, count them.
1, 2, 3. Let's see 3.
Meow. Meow. Yeah, pet him. Meow.
She's like, oh, I smell like bacon now.
Azazel. Azazel, are you jealous? Kimau's like, oh, come on, Kimau. Come on, Kimau. She stuck to my pants.
Oh!
Oh, wow. I'm the cat whisperer. So many kitties. Oh, so many little black cats. If only Azazel liked us. No, don't you do it. You'll start a fight, Gav.
Go ahead.
No. Yeah, now you're just scaring her away.